What's happening, guys? This one gonna be a real quick video. I was gonna show y'all how to make handcuffs out of 550 cord. So first thing you want to do, get you a piece. I've got a big roll, but you get a piece about yay long. I'll give you a measurement here in a second. So about 48 inches. This one's 47. So all you're doing, taking it, going straight in half, get your loop, stick your fingers through it like that, grab it about right there, open your fingers, twist down. Then you got two loops right there. All you're gonna do, take one side, bring it up through the loops, pinch it, grab the other side, through the loops again, grab the whole thing, and pull it like so. Try to give y'all a better angle on that here in a second. Just kind of cinch it down a little bit. Then you've got handcuffs. If you get tied up with these things, even though as simple as they look, you're not getting out of them very easily. You're gonna have to cut them off unless somebody gets you out. Halfway, two fingers through, spin them down, grab behind it, so like that, grab, take your thumb, grab that part, and just kind of to stabilize it a little bit. Then you've got your two loops. Take this side, doesn't matter which side you do first, run it through there, take the other side, run it through there, then pull the middle and cinch it down on itself. Simple as that. And that's pretty much it. Once you have them on and tightened down, all you do, you just tie a simple knot. And that's it. You pull that down, you're not getting out of them. I'll show you how it works. Ow. So there's that, and then go ahead and tie a little knot in it.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. Just tie a knot, cinch it down. Pull another knot. Pull it tight. There you go. And with that, there's no way for me to reach the knot. And you know, you can trim them up or whatever, because you don't want to leave a whole lot of string hanging off of there, but so you have wiggle room, get a long piece. But yeah, there's no getting no getting out of that unless you have a knife and a sharp one. So that's pretty much it. That is how to make handcuffs out of 550 cord. You have a good day.